Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Favorite sport is watching and participating. Cricket 1240 620. Basketball 470 320. Swimming 510 320. Hockey 430 250. Athletics 250 105. Draw a double bar graph. So choosing an appropriate scale, what do you infer from the bar graph? Which sport is most popular? Which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? Right? Let us take. Here you see, what is this infer? That is, here we have drawn the double bar graph here, right? This red column represents watching, and this column, that is this bar graph, represent participating, right? A scale we have taken is 1 unit is equal to 100 people. 1 unit is equal to 100 people. 1 unit is equal to 100 people. Right? 1 unit is equal to 100 people. Therefore, we have taken here, you see, that is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400 and 1500. Now I have drawn the graph. Here you see, in cricket 1240 watching, right? The red bar is the watching, that is 1240. We have taken 1240, and for participating it is 620, right? Now for basketball it is 470 for watching, 470 for watching, and for participating 320. And the third graph you see, it is for swimming. Watching is 510, watching is 510, and for participating 320, right? And for hockey it is 430 and participating 250. And for athletics, that is watching is 250 and for participating 105. Now we have drawn the graph. What you have chosen the scale also, that is one scale is equal to 1 unit is equal to 100 people. It is 1 unit, that is 0 to 100, it is 100, 200, 300. That is 1 unit is equal to 100 people. Now, what does draw a bar graph and choosing an appropriate scale, what to infer from the bar graph? What is our inference which we are writing here? That is, the double bar graph represents the number of people who like watching and participating in different sports, right? The double bar graph, here we can write here also, the double bar graph, the double bar graph, double bar graph, the double bar graph represents, the double bar graph represents the number of people, represents the number of people, the number of people number of people who like watching, who like watching, who like watching and participating, watching and participating, and participating in different sports, in different sports, in different sports, right? This is double graph shows. It can be observed that it can be observed can be observed it can be observed that 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 most of the people that most of the people most of the people most of the people most of the people like watching and participating in cricket. Most of the people like watching and participating in participating in cricket. Right? And also it says that list number of people number of people like watching and participating like watching and participating watching and participating in athletics. Here you see ATHLETICS. This is our inference from the graph. The double bar graph represents that the number of people who like watching and participating in different sports. It can be observed that most of the people like watching and participating in cricket, and least number of people like watching and participating in athletics. Now number 2. Which sport is most popular? On the bar graph, here from the double bar graph, we can say from the double bar graph, from from the double double bar graph, we can conclude we can conclude that cricket is the most popular, because that cricket is most popular, right? Most popular because the bars in the cricket is the tallest. That it is 1240. Here it is 1240, and here it is for watching 1240, and for participating 620. That from the double bar graph, we can conclude that cricket is the most popular. Right. Now question number 3. What is question number 3 is? And here you also see from the graph that cricket has the most long bar graph. This one and this one. This one is for watching, and this one is for participating. Which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? Here you see that all the graphs that is in red. Here see this one or this one. All the bar graphs that is in red. This one, and this one, and here also this one is say. Right. That which is more preferred, watching or participating? This is for watching. Right. From the bar graph, we can say that the bars representing watching sports are longer than the bar representing participating in sport. Hence, watching different types of sports is more preferred than participating in the sports. Therefore, you can say that the bars representing, by writing here, the bars representing the bars representing represent the bars representing the bars representing watching sport is always longer than longer than the bars representing bars representing participating in sport representing participating in sports participating in sport. Right here you see that all the bars which represent in red are always longer than the bars representing participating. That means watching is very more preferred than participating in sports. Right? Therefore we can say that which is more preferred. We can say that watching is watching different types of sports. Hence we can say that hence hence watching different types of sports watching different types of sports watching different types of sports is is more preferred more preferred more preferred than participating in the sports than participating in the sports in the sports. Right here you see that is from this graph we can say that the double bar graph represents the number of people who like watching and participating in different sports. It can be observed that most of the people like watching and participating in cricket and least number of people like watching and participating in athletics. Number 2, which sport is most popular? Here you see from the graph that cricket is most popular than all the sports. Therefore, you can say that cricket is most popular. Question of the which is more preferred, watching or participating? Here you see the bars representing for watching is always longer than the bars representing participating. That means that watching sports is more preferred than participating in sports. Therefore, you can say that the bars representing watching sport is always longer than the bars representing participating in sports. Hence, watching different types of sports is more preferred than participating in sports. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.